Research ethics review is a process of initial and ongoing review and monitoring of research involving human participants. The purpose of a research ethics review is to ensure, both in advance and by ongoing review, that appropriate steps are taken to protect the rights and welfare of humans participating in research. The recognition of the need for guidelines dealing with human subjects in research emerged following the Nuremberg trials, where the medical experimentation abuses of World War II Nazi doctors came to the public's attention. This led to the creation of the Nuremberg Code in 1945, the first legal attempt to deal with ethical issues of modern research. As biomedical research efforts expanded, the international need for a more specific code of ethics was formulated in the 1964 Declaration of Helsinki. Following that, the United States established a National Commission on Research Ethics and published recommendations in what is now known as the Belmont Report. In Canada, the Interagency Advisory Panel on Research Ethics, commonly referred to as the panel, was formed in 2001 by the three research funding agencies of the Government of Canada: the Canadian Institutes of Health Research, CIHR, the Natural Sciences and Engineering Research Council, NSERC, and the Social Sciences and Humanities Research Council, SSHRC. The panel is responsible for developing, interpreting, and implementing the Tri-Council Policy Statement, Ethical Conduct for Research Involving Humans, commonly known as the TCPS. It was first released in 2001 and updated in 2010 and in 2018. The current version is known as TCPS-2. In addition to TCPS-2, researchers are required to ensure that their research meets current Health Canada and privacy regulations.